This is our 2015 65 plate Ford Fiesta 5-door titanium. It's a 1 litre EcoBoost petrol engine with the benefit of the 0 road tax and the excellent MPG. This car's covered 43,000 miles, does have a full service history and it's just been serviced. It does benefit from the manufacturer's warranty through until December 2018. Looking in through the driver's door, it does have the multi-function steering wheel, and being the titanium, it's got the driver's multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. It also benefits from the digital climate control rather than the standard air conditioning. It does have the upgrade 16-inch titanium alloys, the multi-spoke alloy wheels, and the factory fitted rear privacy glass. This is a facelift car, so it does have the latest style rear lights, and it has the LED daytime running lights on the front, which we'll pick up when we move around. It also has the electric folding mirrors, so when you lock the car up on the remote locking, the electric mirrors do fold in. It has the self-dimming rear view mirror as well. It's got Bluetooth phone preparation with Bluetooth music streaming, so you can stream music directly from your phone straight through, and it's also got a USB audio interface and benefits from DAB radio, DAB radio as well with the enhanced station functionality. Just going to look in a moment through the passenger window. Very nice inside. It's in well cared for car. As I said, it has got a full service history, it has just been serviced, and it does benefit from the manufacturer's warranty running right the way through. This car has been machine polished and hand canubra waxed, and hopefully you can pick up in the film the car is in stunning condition. Just going to pick up here, you'll hopefully see the LED daytime running lights. Thank you very much for watching.